Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to confront one of the most pressing challenges of our time: climate change. The evidence is clear, the signs are all around us. Our planet is facing unprecedented shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. The consequences are dire, impacting ecosystems, livelihoods, and human health. But amidst the crisis lies an opportunity for collective action, for innovation, and for hope. Climate change is not a distant threat. It is here, it is now, and it demands our urgent attention. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial emissions, and unsustainable agricultural practices have all contributed to greenhouse gas emissions that are trapping heat in our atmosphere. The result is a rapidly warming planet with catastrophic consequences for future generations if we fail to act decisively. However, the solutions are within our reach. We must transition to a low carbon economy, embracing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. We must invest in energy efficient measures, retrofitting buildings, and redesigning transportation systems to reduce emissions. We must protect and restore our forests, which act as a vital carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. And we must shift towards sustainable agriculture practices that prioritize soil health and biodiversity. But climate change is not just the responsibility of governments or corporations, it requires the collective effort of every individual. We can all make a difference by reducing our carbon footprint, by adopting sustainable habits in our daily lives, and by advocating for change within our communities, whether it's reducing energy consumption, recycling, using public transportation, or supporting local food systems. Every action counts. Furthermore, we must prioritize justice in our efforts. The impacts of climate change are disproportionately felt by vulnerable communities, including low income population, indigenous people, and marginalized groups. We must ensure that our response to climate change is equitable and inclusive, addressing that needs of those most effective and empowering them to be part of the solution. In the face of such a monumental challenge, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or powerless, but we must not succumb to despair. Instead, let us draw inspiration from the resilience of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Let us unite in our determination to safeguard our planet for future generations. Let us seize the moment to forge a more sustainable and just world for all. Together, we can rise for the challenge of climate change. Together, we can build a brighter future. The time for action is now. Thank you.